Hey, Wire by Greg here, and today we're installing the Midland Micro Mobile Pro Line 15-watt GRMS in Sonny's truck. Hey there, Wire by Greg. Check out the new hat, pretty cool. But we're gonna do the unboxing of the Midland Micro Mobile Pro Line. Check this thing out. Alright, cool. So here's something cool and new from them. Wireless. It does have a charging port on the bottom. For whatever reason, they're always on channel 22. So just peel that off. We're ready to rock and roll. Check this out. So this thing's pretty tiny. This is the base station. This is gonna get mounted underneath the seat. A lot of guys put them on the side of the center console, but we're gonna hide this thing. Pretty cool. And then you got all the cables. There's the antenna it comes with. There's your charging wire. You've got, oh nice, a magnetic microphone docking station, the standard hook type, and then a power plug, 12 volt. So, pretty cool. So, we went ahead and installed the unit. We've got it paired already. We're gonna go ahead and test it on one of the weather bands. There it goes, powers up.
Base unit connected.
We're connected.